Good afternoon, beautiful bee friends. I hope everybody's doing well, that you're having a great fall, and that you are all ready and that your hives are all prepped up for the winter. That leads us into the playlist that we're working on right now. This is video number 1 of the hive monitoring playlist that we're going to be creating here on the YouTube channel. This is a supplement to everything we talk about on the Beekeeping for Newbies podcast. The Hive Monitoring Project specifically is designed around something that I've been thinking about for a couple of years, that I've really wanted to do for a while, but over the past 6 months, I've been putting together the parts, the pieces, and all the solution that I think is going to make for a really cool and fun hive monitoring project. Basically, what we're going to be doing is taking a bunch of sensors, putting them into the hive, monitoring where the cluster is throughout the entire winter. We're going to be able to track humidity, barometric pressure, temperature inside and out. We're gonna have all kinds of different things going on with it. I'm gonna try and get some IP cameras out here this summer. A lot of cool things going on that hopefully all of you can be a part of as well. If you have experience in technology and you have an experience in this space, we'd love to hear your thoughts and ideas as well. Drop some notes in the comments and we'll take a look at them. But everything that we're doing is commercial, or I shouldn't say commercial, it's open source software available online. So you can just go download it. You can follow along with us and do the exact same thing that we're doing from beginning to end. The way that I see these videos or this video series looking is there's going to be, of course, this introductory video. When I'm done here today, I'm going to go inside. I've got everything completely set up to do a full hardware overview. This is going to show you everything that I'm putting into the project as of right now. I may take some parts and pieces away. I may add more. This is kind of I'd say it's about a 90% solution right now, but we're going to go through all of that hardware today. And then every video beyond that is going to be placement of sensors. And then I think, for example, I don't have honeybees in these test hives that we're using. So we're going to be using heat generators. I'll have somewhere between 10 and maybe as many as 20 or 30 heat generators inside of a hive that I will put on a rotating schedule to heat different areas at different times to simulate a cluster of bees moving throughout the winter. A lot of cool things that we're trying to do. I hope you enjoyed the playlist. Please leave comments, let us know. It's a fairly expensive project when you add everything together, so donations are certainly appreciated, but not mandatory by any stretch of the imagination. Let us know in the comments how we can help, and I hope you enjoy the playlist and the project as much as I do. Take care.